So over here, let me just go around and bring in an image. I'm going to go around onto visuals right here, and then let's just go around onto, let's say for example, open out the photos section just like this. And I'm going to go around and bring in, let's say for example, this my image. So this is an image that I have right here. Let me just go around and bring in another image as well. So let's say what I want to do is I want to replace out this image. In that case, you can simply select out the image that you want to replace, and then you need to click on replace. Once you do that, you can go around and select image gallery, and then what happens is that the image gallery opens up where you can replace this out with another image that you can choose right here. So let's just go around over here and click on this, and as I click on this, the image is replaced, as you can see, just like this. I can also go around over here on this particular image right here, click on replace, and then go to my media right here. And once you do that, you have your particular medias that you may have uploaded. You can go around and click on it to replace it with your particular media as well. And that is how you can go around and replace out images inside of Microsoft Designer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.